Hi, this is a boxed output stage which needs to work alongside an emonTx V3. So here's the emonTx. It's been powered from an AC power supply, so the amount of power that can be pulled out for DC purposes is rather limited. This box is connected up, the emonTx is connected up to one of my boxes, and inside there the trigger chip is the low power MC3043 with a higher series resistor, so it's drawing less current from the emonTx. In parallel to that, using the other pair of connectors, pins, I'm driving an LED to show when the system is on. This has actually been driven through a 470 ohm resistor to keep the current down. It does work down at with a 220 ohm resistor, but we might be rather marginal if the emonTx had anything else to do. So I'm just running a little sketch, which is a variation of blink. It's putting the load on for I think half a second and then off for 1.5. So we've got the indication here. We've got a 40 watt load that's being driven by the output stage in there. We've also got a space heater connected up with the power supply. So at the moment it's not actually on, but if I switch it on, we've now got a 3 kilowatt space heater and the 40 watt light bulb, all being powered from this box here under the control signal. If I were to put the override on, which is this way, so now the light and the heater are on permanently, and we're essentially ignoring the control signal that's coming from the emonTx, and the room is getting substantially warmer. So if I were to turn this off, then we return back to the normal situation. So if the emonTx V3 has only to do this one function, if this is the only output it has, it does appear that there's plenty of power to drive the low power version of my output stage, and at least an LED in parallel with that. If one wants to load it up with extra features, which draw extra current, you might have to provide a dedicated power supply to it, or a USB cable, which I've got disconnected for the purposes of this test. So that's how the output stage can be used in conjunction with an emonTx V3 for diverting surplus power or anything like that. Thanks for watching. Cheers.